Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. So let's first open an application and have a window of it opened. And right now, if I want to put it on a full screen, I can either double click the top bar of the window like this, and then double click it again to demaximize it. I can grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of the screen, then release it. And this way I will also make it full screen. Then by grabbing it and dragging it down, I will demaximize it again. Or the last option is by clicking this icon right here, this square icon, and then clicking it again to demaximize the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.